guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the brand new, this just came out, decorative collection. I am so excited for this right here. I did take a little sneak peek because I was just too excited, but let me tell you, it's good. This right here is so good. I'm so excited to open this up and actually see what's in here. So it's just cutely packaged with this little gold paper right here. And here is everything you get. Look at all of this stuff. I'm just gonna get opening all these boxes and just showing you everything that comes in each of them. Have you guys seen that Aurora nail design trend going around? These right here, this reminds me of that. And then you also get some stickers. You get these little star stickers, these white stickers right here. And then you get some gold stickers. Okay, and my little sister's here now, Catsetus. Say hi, Catsetus. And this is basically what's in this little collection. This is definitely Valentine's. And you also get some stickers. You get some heart stickers. Ooh, these are cute. These are nice and simple. This is also these little abstract faces. Trendy. I've seen this so much. So here's the next little kit. It definitely has a lot. These are all bow charms and then some butterfly charms. And then here are the glitters. You get some foils and it also comes with some stickers. These flower stickers and then just some white flower stickers. So here's the next one. We have some pearls. Look at these ones. And then some diamond gems. And yeah, the rest. These are so cute. And then we also have some stickers again. And here is the last little kit. We just have some glitters right here, some more foils, and some more gems. And here are the different gold stickers. Next we have some rhinestones. We just have some regular nail gems. And then in the next box we have some silver nail gems. And then in the last one you get some ooh, these are nice. These are cute. Colorful nail gems. They also come with some wax pencils to pick up your gems. So here's the next decorations. These are some glitter hearts. These are really cute. I like these. And it also comes with gel glue. These glitters are special though. These are star glitters. Can you see that? They're tiny stars. And the last little decorations you get are some Halloween decorations. Halloween right around the corner. I'm excited for Halloween, so this is perfect. I need to get so much more stuff. So here are my nails. I gotta take these off. And I put protective base underneath. Ooh, yeah, it worked. So before I even put on anything on my nails, I put some cuticle oil and some top coat, and then I did, my regular steps of putting on the nails, glued on the tips, and put on the polygel. And as you can see, that just came off really easy. I hope it works for the rest of them now. Who wants to buy some press-ons? There's even a gem missing. Yeah. Oh my, look at that fresh set you got there. So here are my nails after I took off the last nails. Yeah, that was really easy removal. I wouldn't recommend doing that every time, but hey, I mean, it was really quick and easy, and I'm very impatient when it comes to taking off nails. So we're first gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles. Now I just did that nail set on these nails, so they don't really need to be prepped that much. I'll probably just push back the cuticles and smooth them over so that there's no leftover residue, and that's probably it. Okay, so I got my nail drill on the lowest speed it can go, and now I'm just going to gently smooth out these nails. I mean, there's not much to do on these nails, so I don't really even need to do much of this, so yeah. Okay, now I'm going to take my hand file here and I'm just going to smooth out the nails just a little bit. All right, now we're just going to take that cuticle oil to make our peel off base coat. Like I said, I don't recommend doing this every time, but since I have to take off my nails so much, it's just a lot easier to make this peel off base coat. So I make sure to put a lot of cuticle oil because the first time I tried this, I didn't put enough cuticle oil and the nails did not want to come off. And then we're just going to take the top coat and put some top coat on all the nails. Now you just want to do this if you want to take off your nails like soon after you do that. Don't do this if you want your nails to last. Okay, now I'm just going to take these not polished extra long nail tips and I'm going to size them all out. Okay, now I'm just going to use some KDS glue to glue on all these tips. Actually, what I like to do, since I have this top coat on here, the glue doesn't really like to stick to like smooth surfaces, so I just like to scratch over the top coat just a little, like where I'm going to glue on the nails. Okay, now I'm going to glue them on. I'm just going to cut down these nails with my tip cutters to the length that I want. Okay, now I'm just going to gently reshape the nails because I don't want them to pop off, so I'm just going to be as gentle as I can. All right, now I'm just going to take my sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nails. Alright, now I'm just going to take some base coat, a layer of that on all the nails. So I decided that I'm going to do another fall nail set. There's so many options that it's like, I need to keep this simple or it might not turn out well. So I'm going to do full glitter nails of these 4 colors because these like are perfect fall colors right here. So we're just going to do this one by one because I don't want to make a big glitter mess. Look at my glitter mess, girl. This is all the glitter mixed together. So I'm just taking some base coat and I'm going to put a layer of base coat on the nail, even though I already did that, but I cured that one. So we're just going to add another layer so that we can add on the glitters. Take some of the, glitter and I'm just going to put it in the nail. Sprinkle this on like this. What was I doing before? I don't know. I'm gonna cure this. I know it's like messy, but I'm gonna cure that. So we're gonna take this like starry glitter right here, the red color. We're just gonna add another layer of base coat on it. Now I'm just gonna get some of this starry red glitter. All right, so here's the nail. It looks a little crazy, but we're gonna cure that. So on to the next nail, which is going to paint base coat on it like the first nail. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take my brush and kind of clean up the cuticle area the best I can because I didn't want any of that base coat flood the cuticle area. And then yeah, I just hate that. So I'm sure it's good. The rest I could probably brush out. Now on to the next color. Alright, now I'm going to add on the orange glitter. Now I have not done glitter nails in so long, so this was really refreshing. It was just fun and simple to do, and these colors looked so cute together. They are perfect for the fall time. I just think they are so cute. The blue little kit, I really wanted to use that, but I just did blue nails, so we'll probably use that another time because I do really want to use it. Okay, now that we got all the glitter on these nails, they look absolutely eye-catching. We're just gonna have to encapsulate them. I'm just gonna take some of this clear Polygel and I'm just going to encapsulate all these nails. And I'm just going to smooth this out over the whole nail. All right, so we are encapsulating the nails now. I just put a really big bead of clear Polygel on these nails and yeah, I'm just going to smooth that out. There's many ways to do this glitter nail design, but I decided to go for the encapsulated look because I was thinking that I was gonna put like a lot of different kind of glitters in these nails, but I decided to keep it a little more simple just by using the two glitters, the, you know, the base glitter and like the star glitter. But you could definitely make your nails using clear polygel and then sprinkle the glitter over the nails. Like, it's just depending on what you want to go for. But I just decided to do this nail set this way. I also think this is a really good design for beginners. I mean, you probably wouldn't make these nails this long if you were a beginner, but you know, the same technique is really good for beginners because honestly, it's just a really simple nail set and looks really good. So yeah, this is definitely good for beginners, you know, minus the length. Let me know which one of the little kits that come in this collection is your favorite. I honestly think the blue one is my favorite. I just think the variety in that blue one looks so good. I'm definitely going to be using that blue little kit in another video because I wanted to use it in this one, but I already did blue nails. And plus it's fall time, so this little kit that I chose, it's like perfect for the fall. It's just the perfect fall colors. Okay, so now that the nails are all encapsulated, we're just going to get reshaping the nails. I'm using my Makartt dust collector and a hand file, and yeah, we're just going to get reshaping. I know this is kind of a simple set. There was so much variety that I just couldn't choose. Like, I literally spent like almost 30 minutes trying to think of a nail set. But anyway, if you guys are interested in this Makartt Decorative Collection, I think it is perfect for literally all year round. It has Valentine's Day decorations. It has like the winter decorations, which is like the blue kit. It's just perfect for all year, and I definitely recommend it. You guys can go check out this nail set on the Makartt website right now. Like, it just came out. You can use the code nailsbyvic for 15% off your order. I highly recommend this decorative collection. I think it is so cute, and I will be using some more of these decorations in my later videos. Alright, so back to the nail set. We are just finishing this look off with some top coat. I wanted to add gems. As you can see, they're in the background, but I don't know. The glitter was so blinding by itself. I was just like, I don't think I need to add gems. Okay, and now we're going in with some cuticle oil. And here is how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. Once again, if you are interested in this Makartt Decorative Collection, the information for it will be in the description. You can use the code nailsbyvic for 15% off. This decorative collection was so cute and so fun to work with. There's just so much variety in this collection. If any of you recreate this nail set, definitely tag me on Instagram. I love to see your guys' nail like recreations or even just any of your nail sets. I just love to see them. And here are how the nails look out in the sun. They are so beautiful and so perfect for the fall. Like, I feel so festive with these nails. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!